I'm gonna do a hair product review, and when I say review, I actually have not yet tested it, so this is gonna be a review in like real time. Honestly, my hair is getting a little bit dry, and in order to do this hair product review for the brand Curlsmith, for the sake of time and because my hair is drying out and you're supposed to apply it to damp hair, let's just get into it. Basically, Curlsmith is a very natural line of hair care that is such a deviation for me because I typically use, you know, shampoos that lather. I have used shampoos that have sulfate in them, which I'm a curly girl, so I'm not supposed to. So again, this is very new for me. Very, very natural ingredients. For instance, I could tell you that in this Curlsmith product, which is a style balm, there is rosemary oil, smashed avocado, organic apricot, raw aloe vera, and organic olive oil. Basically, I bought the entire line. Splurged as always. This line of hair care is specifically for extra thirsty, curly or kinky hair. So if your hair is super dry, like mine is, I think this is gonna be a good product for you. But again, I don't wanna jump to conclusions. Let's try it first. I'm gonna start with the Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream. I'm gonna use this product as a primer for my hair. I think it's also gonna be a great detangler. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's what the product looks like. It's a white, actually feels like face lotion. And honestly, you guys, that's probably as much as I'm gonna take. So I'm gonna rub, okay? And I'm honestly just gonna brush it through my hair. I'm not gonna apply it to the roots because I don't want my hair to get weighed down. Oh, it smells really good. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Curl Defining Styling Souffle. What I'm hoping to get out of this product is that I get curl enhancement. Honestly, just want my curls back. I want my ringlets back, god damn it. So this is a gel-like consistency, which it says you have to scoop like this and then rub between your hands. Ah! That literally, all the gel almost scooped as one unit, like out of the tub, but I scooped it back in. You guys, not taking that much because this I could tell is very moisturizing. All the products are super moisturizing and I don't have a tight curl pattern. And so I fear that if I put in too much, it's gonna weigh my hair down. Don't follow what I'm saying necessarily in terms of how much to put in. All I can tell you from my perspective, because I know my hair, I'm not using a lot because I know for a fact my hair is gonna get weighed down. But if you have super tight curls, super dry, use a lot. You know, it's whatever, you know your hair better than I do. I'm just reviewing the products for you. I'm gonna add yet another product of theirs for curl enhancement, which is a styling balm. And I actually love the fact that it's called Hold Me Softly because I hope what that means is that it's not gonna give a gel, crunchy texture to my hair, which, oh my God, I don't know one curly girl who actually likes that. It's disgusting. So there you go. Okay, I'm going to scrunch my hair like this first before I start diffusing it with my blow dryer. Even with me just styling it with my hands and scrunching my hair up, I'm already starting to see that I'm getting a nice curl pattern from it. When you're diffusing your hair, it's good to like flip it down, flip it back up, and then maybe give yourself whiplash. And then move on to diffusing again. Wow, you guys, this is super impressive. This is nice. I love it. Wow. And you know what I love so much about these Curlsmith products? I literally put 3 products into my hair. And for any curly girl out there, you know that when you do that, it's very hard to run your fingers through your hair and still maintain your curl pattern. oh my God, look, it's there, it exists. My hair feels shiny, it feels like bouncy, it feels soft, it feels manageable, yet there's still curls in it, so I am shocked. I did not expect that. Especially because I feel like it's not that I ever hated all natural hair care, it's just that I didn't think its effect would be as powerful, you know? This is gorgeous. Part of what drew me to this product is that it's only for curly hair. And my philosophy is, okay, there's a ton of great hair care lines that release like hundreds of products. At times I'm like, okay, are you even an expert in any one of these types of hair? You're releasing hundreds of products. Like, it kind of makes, it's like going to a restaurant that offers Mexican, Asian, Persian, Indian food. It's like, do your chefs actually, are they experts in any one of those cuisines? Do you know what I'm saying? So I was attracted to this brand for that reason, because it's only for curly hair. So I feel like, okay, they must know what they're doing, right? They're focusing and honing in on curly hair. Thanks guys, and thank you Curlsmith. Woohoo!